Montenegro, a country not so often traveled and one of Europe's best kept secrets. From breathtaking landscapes to rich history and vibrant old towns, this country truly has it all. Whether you're into adventure, history or relaxing by the sea, it is all possible here. So, I am starting off my journey in Kotor, a stunning coastal town in Montenegro known for its medieval architecture, charming narrow streets and breathtaking views of the Bay of Kotor. Wow!
Wow!
This place is a real gem. In this video, we will be climbing to new heights. This view is just what dreams are made of. Make friends with cute locals, visit the famous blue caves, watch incredible sunset and soak in the incredible scenery. If you like beautiful places and you want to travel off the beaten path, this video is for you, so let's go! It is currently still super early here in Kotor and the only locals that we are dealing with are these cute little cats here. The town is slowly waking up. It is so beautiful. We're gonna walk around here a little bit and show you guys the old city of Kotor right now. And into the cable car we go, guys! Hi! Oh yeah, this is by the way my good friend Mesh, and she will be traveling with me in this Montenegro adventure. Hold on for your dear life! Wow, this is going faster than I expected it to be actually. We're going very fast up. How much did we pay?
23 euros each.
23 euros for up and down, round tour. It is hot in here, it is boiling, but guys, the view is insane. We can already see the Bay of Kotor and it is breathtaking. Look at that. We can see the huge cruise ship and we're only going up higher and higher into this insanely beautiful but very high mountains. Time to go out!
Shit, right here!
Yeah, we're here! Alright, we made it!
I don't know if I have our tickets!
Open! Here we go! Yes! He's a pro!
Bro!
Okay. Gotta live up to the hype now. Wow!
Wow!
Oh my god!
Here's the Kotor, the bay, you see the cruise
Yes.
and everything. As I said, the most stunning view, we're just waiting for the clouds to go.
We're waiting for the clouds.
Far away.
Do you think the clouds go away?
Yes, in 20 minutes, as I said.
In 20 minutes?
For sure, even now, you see.
Okay.
During
Oh,
our talk, you
yeah.
know, like you see.
Oh my god, it's actually clearing up right now.
I told
Perfect. Cheers, girl, to this beautiful view.
Cheers. Cheers to overpriced pina coladas. This is what $10 tastes like.
Wow. Cheers. After drinking these overpriced drinks, it was time to explore the area. We chose a more off-the-beaten path covered with beautiful plants, hundreds of butterflies and purple flowers. We even got to spend time with one particular butterfly. This beauty stayed with us for over 20 minutes, just enjoying each other's company. And just like that, it is already sunset time. Look behind me how absolutely breathtaking this place is. These flowers are so one of a kind. I truly loved it. The views here are so beautiful. We sat here and we just enjoyed this view for a long time. Right now it is time to go down, but we had the time of our lives here, and I 100% recommend you guys to do the cable car in Kotor because this was a top-notch experience. on the road so often, it can be challenging to get enough sleep. From early sunrises to long hours of traveling on boats, planes and more, it is crucial to have good naps and a good night of sleep. That is why I want to share with you my travel hack that has transformed my sleep. The Manta Mask Pro, the most advanced sleep mask on the planet. This sleep mask has changed my travels for the better, leaving me well rested for all my adventures. The Manta Mask Pro offers true 100% blackout for deeper sleep thanks to its innovative C-shaped eye cups. These cups provide zero pressure on your eyelids or lashes and unmatched breathability with advanced materials and ventilation. The mask's anti-slip head strap ensures no pressure on your ears, which I'm a huge fan of because this ensures a way better sleep. And the mask also has a specialized cooling fabric which guides heat away from your face, keeping you cool all night long. And last but not least, it comes with a case and a wash bag, and it's 100% washable, which is definitely super important. If you travel a lot, your mask can get dirty from time to time. I never travel anywhere without this mask because it ensures a good night of sleep and also good naps. So I would say, guys, really check this mask out for yourself. They have different options. I will put it in the link in my description. And for now, let's go back to the video. Good morning, beautiful people, from a very sleepy old town. It is currently 7:30 a.m. so it is really early. There is almost no one here in the old town and it is so beautiful. There's a huge cruise ship here on the lake and there is sun coming through the mountains. It is absolutely stunning. We are gonna have a quick coffee right now at this gorgeous little cafe where we are, and then it is time to climb up the mountains one more time. And just like that, we are starting our hike. Mash is fueling up on some water.
I hope it's drinkable.
I hope so too. Well, we'll know that within an hour, but it is time to go all the way up there. So wish us good luck because this is gonna be an interesting hike. Right now we are halfway up the mountain. The view is getting insane already. Girl, how do we rate this experience?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I would say it is a little bit challenging, but it's definitely doable. It is stunning. Okay, let's go. How many more minutes?
I don't know.
We both don't know and we're very sweaty, but the views are, it feels like we're in real life Narnia because look at this. We have to say more. This view is just what dreams are made of. And right next to us there's this crazy road that goes zigzag up and up. Let me show you. Found a little hole in the fortress and right now we are walking more down. As you can see, I am behind this insanely beautiful church and we see wild mountain goats here. So it is time to see if we can have a closer look at them. So I heard there's this amazing cheese shop up in the mountains. So girl, shall we send it?
Let's go.
Let's go. This cheese shop break was much needed because this hike is no joke and it is also so hot during the day. So we decided to go back down to town, change our clothes and go on another adventure. Wow, this is such an insanely beautiful place. I can't believe it. And the story here is actually quite interesting. There are two islands. We are right now at Lady at the Rocks, which is so beautiful. This is open for tourists. But next to us we have the monastery, which is a different island. Right now there are 6 women living here, and if you enter this island you can never leave it again. So these women will be there for the rest of their lives, and there's no electricity and there's also no water. So whatever they need, they get it from the church across the island here. And this is to me wild. It is so interesting. Also the island where I'm at right now, Lady at the Rocks, it took over 100 years to build this. And currently still people are taking stones with them when they visit this island to keep building it. So this place definitely has a story to tell. It is so interesting. I'm gonna explore a little bit more.
For 300 euros a night, obviously.
Yes.
You think these are beautiful islands, and then it's like, oh, actually, there's fugitives living in there.
This was a jail before. Wow.
For 3 years.
The Montenegro Alcatraz we just saw. We made it to the Blue Caves, guys. One of the highlights of Montenegro in Kotor here. So excited to swim. You want to swim?
They're waving at you.
Oh really? Hello! Right now it is our time for swimming. We can jump in. So I'm really excited for it because it's super hot. So let's go in the water right now. Let's do this! Oh my god, this is so refreshing, guys, and so beautiful. Jumping in the water was like a dream coming true because the water is really cold. It's so nice. And look at the rocks here. Insanely stunning. You touched it?
It just keeps going.
It just... We just came off the boat and we are insanely hungry. I ordered myself a pasta because I'm so hungry. Mash has a salad and a burger, and we are actually at Little Bay Restaurant, my favorite place here in Kotor. And after that delicious food, I totally forgot to film because we were already on our way to pack our bags to go from Kotor to Budva, where the next video will be. We are going to explore all around Budva area, and this place is absolutely incredible. I really hope you guys found this video informative and that you learned something from it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It means the world to me, and I will see you very soon in my new Montenegro adventure. Bye!